Want to wax like a queen and skip to salon bills? These 15 powerful tips will make Brazilian waxing easier, smoother, and way less painful. Let's get into it. Always start with clean, dry skin. If your skin isn't clean, your wax won't stick. Wash with mild soap and tap dry. Remove oils, lotions, and sweat. Use baby powder to absorb excess moisture. Clean skin equals better results. Trim the hair first if needed to long. It'll tug to short. It won't stick. Aim for 1/4 inch hair length. Use small scissors to trim safely. Don't shave before waxing. Choose the right wax type. Not all wax is created equal. Hard wax is best for Brazilian waxing. Soft wax can irritate sensitive skin. Look for natural, fragrance-free formulas. Quality wax equals less breakage. Test the wax temperature first. Hot wax burns. Don't find out the hard way. Warm, not hot, is ideal. Stir wax before applying. Test a small dot on your wrist. Work in small sections. Small sections equals less pain and better control. Avoid large strips in sensitive areas. Wax one small patch at a time helps avoid missed spots, reduces skin trauma. Apply wax in direction of hair growth. The direction you wax matters more than you think. Always apply wax with hair growth. Press down firmly and evenly. Let it cool slightly before pulling. Better adhesion equals cleaner pull. Pull wax against hair growth quickly. Slow pulls equals more pain. Snap it fast. Hold skin taut with one hand. Pull strip quickly in opposite direction. Don't lift up. Pull parallel to skin. Follow through with confidence. Exhale as you pull. Yes, your breath can reduce the sting. Take a deep breath before pulling. Exhale during the pull for calm. Helps body relax. Minimizes pain perception. Avoid re-waxing the same area. Overwaxing leads to redness and bumps. Limit to one task per area. Use tweezers for straight hairs. Overwaxing can cause skin lifting. Let skin rest between sessions. Never wax on broken or irritated skin. Healthy skin equals safe waxing. Avoid cuts, rashes, sunburn. Postpone waxing until healed. Use soothing lotion before and after. Safety first. Always exfoliate a day before, not the same day. Don't scrub and wax on the same day. Exfoliate 24 hours before. Removes dead skin and unclogs pores. Prevents ingrown hair. Skip caffeine and alcohol before waxing. That cup of coffee may turn into a regret. These increased skin sensitivity can make waxing more painful. Drink water instead to stay calm. Soothe skin after waxing. Hug. The aftercare is just as important as the wax. Use aloe vera or witch hazel. Avoid heat, sun, or tight clothes for 24 hours. Don't touch the area too much. Stay on a regular waxing schedule. Hug. More consistency equals less pain. Wax every 3 to 5 weeks. Hair grows back finer and sparser. Less sensitivity over time. Confidence is your secret weapon. You got this, Queen. Be patient and stay relaxed. It gets easier every time. Celebrate your self-care. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.